हल्का असम्बली मलकपेट के मजलिसी रुकन असम्बली अहमद बलाला ने आज महबूब मिशन का मुआयना किया। उन्होंने दक्कन हेरिटेज के सदर नशीन मनीकुंडा के अलावा आर्किटेक्ट और मजलिसी कारपोरेटर्स के साथ ये तफसीली मुआयना किया। उन्होंने महबूब मिशन की बहाली के सिलसिले में तबादला ख्याल भी किया।
Entering Success College is the beginning of your wonderful journey to reach your dreams. Every student here has a different success story to write, a unique one. We invite you to experience education in a safe Islamic environment. Come, study at a campus dedicated exclusively to girls at Malakpet. Equipped with smart classrooms to meet the aspirations of today's tech-savvy students, it also boasts of state-of-art science labs and high-tech computer labs. Other amenities include a well-stocked library and transport facility. Students are trained to take up competitive exams by our student specialists experienced in IIT and NEET. They mentor students to achieve ranks and post excellent results, making each student accomplish her dream and touch new horizons. Limited seats in BIPC and MPC are available now. The batch starts soon. Hurry to know which course would fit you best. Consult our subject expert faculty and decide. Step into success, step out a winner.